Is it time to sleep? Younger children cannot fully understand the time. I.CODE uses sun and moon icon to teach your kids when it's time for bed and when it's fine to wake up. Stay in bed when the moon rises. Soft night light designed to help your kids feel safe when they sleep in the dark. Light timer will auto off in a certain time. Soothing sounds designed to mimic the natural environment to help lull your kids to sleep. Get out of bed when the sun rises. Light turns green at the same time, so it's time to get out of bed. I.CODE Sleep Trainer is a must-have parenting tool to train your kids how to stay in bed longer, then parents get more sleep. No more early morning wake-up calls. I.CODE helps families get better sleep.